In this video, I will show you how to make or create double sole. Another method of creating double sole is what I'll teach you in this video. So relax, enjoy the video, make sure you learn for yourself. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, also give us a comment. You can also copy the link and share. So now I have the sole pattern from the shoe last. Now this is maco 6 China faceless or foreign maco. Then you give the gap or the spacing to occupy your gauge. All right, so then you rub your gum, carefully rub your gum round the tracing. Okay, get your sole pattern, get your maco 6 foreign, get your wedge or the welt, then rub your gum. Carefully rub your gum. Once you get to dry, then you place your gauge around the tracing line. Make sure you give some little space. Don't forget to give some little space. Then use your knife or sharp blade to cut around your tracing or your gauge. Okay, now this will be the first layer of your sole. All right, after this you go for filing. You get to do filing. From filing, now watch carefully, you smooth the edges. That's just the filing process. Okay, smooth the edges. From there, you go to wrap. Now we are using light material to wrap around. Okay, so use 2 centimeter or 2.5 centimeter, something that you know that will be able to wrap up the sole that you just created, like the first layer of the sole. All right, so trace carefully. It's still wrapping. Please don't forget to subscribe, give us a like. You want to reach out to me on WhatsApp, do that. My number is on the screen, 09035539885. For personal lessons, or maybe you want online tutorials with me, reach out to me using that number. Rub your gum around your first layer sole. Now in placing the wedge, please don't place exactly on the line. Give some little space so that your last will sink in and everything will be fitted. Okay, from there you get to cut the material you'll be using to wrap up. Cut it, then start wrapping from the inside. You wrap. That's what I'm doing. Carefully wrap. Watch. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. To the inside. Don't forget you're wrapping from the inside. Okay, tell me how you get to do your double sole. How do you create a double sole? Do you add fiber or do you just use maco? So how do you get to do it? If you wish to send in support or appreciation, please do that. My numbers, my account numbers, my dollar account and naira account is on your screen. So if you want to appreciate my work, of course you can do that. I won't reject it. There are lots of machines to buy. So if you are touched, or if you feel like what I'm doing is good, you want to encourage me, please use my dollar or naira account to send me a little token. I'll appreciate. Yeah, I will. So let's continue. Now after you wrap up, use Okay, use a sharp or maybe blunt material or something like a pen cover to just push in, all right, just to get the neat folding edge on the wedge. Okay, the spacing, all right, that's what I'm doing. All right, carefully. Now you have it. If you wrap it up, now we'll place on the main sole. This is the main sole. The first we did is the double, the first layer. This is the last layer, of course, which is the outer sole. So the insole, which we did, which is the first layer, is the one with maco. See you tomorrow. All right. So from here you get to wrap and dry. After that you place. Now check carefully. There's a tracing. You're using the the first layer to trace on the last layer sole. That's the outer sole, the Patoranking sole. Then place, stabilize it. Then you add your wedge. Remember we are using two wedge here. Two gauge. The welt, the first welt is for the first layer. The second welt is for the second, which is the last sole, the Patoranking sole. All right. So you do that. Remove the first layer so carefully. Then you hit. All right. You hit round. Use a sharp blade to cut. So once you're done cutting, you go for filing. Watch. I'm sure you like this video. Please subscribe, give me a like, share this video. I want this video to go viral, please. All right, now we're filing. My baby girl is filing. Chiknan. She's doing this for me. All right, she's filing using the filing machine. All right, so you keep filing until you have a smooth sole. All right, so this is just the logic behind creating double sole. The first layer, your welt and maco 6, foreign maco number 6. Get to wrap it, then use your Patoranking, place it, add your gauge, and you file. That is just the logic behind this. I'm sure you love this video. If you see this video interesting, please give me a like, support me, send in your support using my accounts on your screen. If you want to reach out to me on WhatsApp, please do that. If you want to learn from me, do that also. Thank you for watching. God bless you.